Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Goan Lepo Fish Fry, a true seafood lover's delight, crispy on the outside, soft and flaky on the inside. This traditional dish is a must-try if you love fish. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan Lepo Fish Fry. Lepo fish is also called sole fish, a flat fish that fries beautifully. It's a healthy, protein-rich fish that can be enjoyed as a side dish or even as a main dish with rice and curry. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan Lepo Fish Fry. Step 1. Preparing the fish. We have taken 9 pieces of Lepo fish, also called sole fish, weighing around 500 grams. You don't need to remove the scales of this fish separately. Remove the skin along with the scales like I have shown and then discard it. Thank you all for supporting us with your views, likes, comments and shares. Turn the fish and follow the same process again to remove the skin along with the scales.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
The fish is now without its skin. Now cut off the tail. We also need to cut off the fins on the side nicely. Also cut off the stomach area and the head and discard all the waste from the fish. Then turn the fish and cut off the fins and discard them. Then remove any leftover scales or stomach waste and discard it. Do this for all the remaining fish. Then wash and clean the fish nicely. Pat dry the fish completely with a kitchen towel. A dry surface helps the masala stick better during marination. Our fish is now clean and ready to be marinated. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half cup of semolina or rava for coating, 2 tablespoons of rice powder for coating. Step 3. Marinating the fish. In a bowl, add the Kashmiri red chili powder, add the jeera powder, add the turmeric or haldi powder, add the salt, add the ginger garlic paste, add the lime juice. Mix everything nicely into a smooth paste. Now apply this spice paste evenly over each fish, coating both sides well. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Once done, cover and let the fish marinate for at least 20 minutes, and for deeper flavor, you can marinate for up to 1 hour in the refrigerator. Step 4. Frying the fish. Place the semolina in a shallow plate. Now add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Mix it nicely. This mix gives the fish a golden crispy texture while keeping it light. Take each fish and coat it nicely with semolina rice flour mix, coating both sides evenly. Shake off any excess flour. This step ensures a crunchy outer layer when fried. Place a heavy bottom flat pan on medium heat. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Place the coated fish one by one carefully into the hot oil. Fry on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes on one side until golden brown and crisp. Then flip the fish and fry the other side. Avoid overcrowding the pan. Fry in batches if needed. Once done, remove the fried fish and place them on a kitchen towel or tissue to absorb the excess oil. Our delicious Goan Lepo Fish Fry is ready. Crispy, golden and bursting with flavor. The perfect balance of spice, tang and crunch. Serve it hot with steamed rice and Goan curry, or enjoy it as a starter with lime wedges and a light salad.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.